How you doing, YouTube? Cyber924 or Mark. You can call me Mark. God, you just gotta love YouTube intros. But right now we're on the third, I guess you could say the third phase of my Remmington 870 conversion to take it from really like a kind of a stock looking 870 into a more tactical 870. We've already installed the buttstock, a Magpul SGA buttstock. We've installed Mlock rail on the Mlock forend. Now this video is going to be on installing the forend onto the shotgun. Onto the shotgun itself. Now, one thing that's really nice with Magpul, when you have to install the forend, there's actually a nut that actually holds this forend in place. Great thing with Magpul. Thank you so much. They actually include a tool to actually remove that nut. Now, first thing I'm doing is I'm taking off this center cap, this retention cap for the that's on the end of the magazine tube. There we go. And we have taken off the barrel as well as the bolt. Now, as we can see right here, this is the actual, this is where the forend will sit. And where did I put my little handy dandy light? Right here is the actual nut itself that we need to take out. So we take the wonderful tool that Magpul has provided us and proceed to take the nut off. And surprisingly, the nut's coming off quite easy. There's the nut. And there we go. Slides off the forend. So we have the original forend, and then we have the new forend. So we're going to install the new forend onto here. And then we will make sure this is seated in all the way, of course. And then we will install the nut. Probably wise to put this nut back on the put this nut on the tool. And now it's just as simple as just twisting this and threading the nut back onto the we'll just snug this thing back on nice and tight. And there we go. We have the nice new tactical forend on it. The next thing we do is we get back to installing the... We're going to get back to installing the shotgun, getting the shotgun back together. Make sure we get the bolt and all that necessary items back on there. Make sure in the proper way.
And there we go. It is on. It is on. Like I said before, it's extremely tricky to get the thing back in. I mean, there's some people that can probably take 870 down apart very, very easily. I haven't really experienced that yet, so. I haven't had to take mine apart so much before, so. So I haven't had the most extreme amount of luck when it comes to putting these things on. Taking them apart. But I think with time, this thing will definitely work out great. And you know what? Let's take this camera off the tripod and let's take a look at it. As we can see, it went from just a basic 870 to more of a tactical one. And it'll be so much better once I get that two-shot extension tube on it. Because I didn't want to go too crazy with it, but the two-shot will definitely make this thing work. Thank you so much, YouTubers, for the views. and the comments. Like, subscribe, favorite, and we'll catch you later.